Hello everybody. Today we're going to see how I draw Star Wand. Alright, I'm going to start off with a quick sketch just to make sure I have everything here and make sure that I have it in the camera. This won't take very long, because it's not much to this one, right? I just gotta make sure that I keep everything in here. Really? That's about it. Let's see. Here's the little loopy-loop. And you know, it may not be straight, but I'm going to get as close as I possibly can just by eyeballing. Because this is more about drawing than drawing straight across, you know? Alright, I think I'm done with that. And I think we can get started, because that's about all I'm really going to do. Okay, so I'm going to draw with a big fat Sharpie, and then, well, it says fine point, but it's a fatter Sharpie than the Sharpie pen. And then I'm going to come back and add a few more details with the Sharpie pen, just to make it stand out more. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to make sure that I know where my points are going to be, and then I can build off of that. Okay, so now that ought to be good enough. So now I'm just going to basically connect the dots, you know, that's about it. And then I'll come back with a finer Sharpie and do a couple more things. Look, I missed that one. Oops, no big deal. I'm going to cover that up, and I'll show you what I do in a second. So you should basically learn to draw a star, not eyeball it like I'm doing. But I've been doing them enough that I can just have some fun like this. And see, it's not quite perfect. See how it should go straight across? That's not going straight across. That's not going straight across. That's okay, because we're gonna do something fun here, and not worry too much about whether we got it right or not. So let's keep going, and let's draw this little loop, this ring that's going across. I'm going to stop right there just so I can add another edge like this, and then I'm going to bring it down through, okay, like that. So now see how that looks like it's going back behind? Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay, so now I'm going to do basically this. And there's a few more things, like rather than go straight down, this ribbon goes over it. So I'm going to make sure I define a few things right here first. I'm going to define the ribbon going over like that. And come over like this, go in, stop there, because that's where the stick's going to be. And so I basically want to just do a few of these because it goes over a couple times. Okay, like that. Now I can draw the stick, because the rest of the ribbon that goes down, it's okay. That can really touch across it, you know. I'll do one more like this, because that's where it's going to wrap around there. And then let's do the bow, and then we can draw the rest of the stick. Okay. Okay, so now let's draw the stick. And it's kind of at a curve, but it's okay. Let's just go down. Okay, so I'm going to connect it to about right there. Same thing, bring it down to right there, and imagine it was still going. Do it like this. Same thing, imagine it was still going. Bring it back down to that. That's not too bad. A little crooked, but you know, we can live with that. And so now I'm just going to bring it all the way down here. Down to there. Down to there. Bring it through. Bring that through. And add the little like bat handle part. That's what it makes me think of. Excuse me. A bat handle. You know, the little nubby part at the end of a bat? That's what it makes me think of. So I'm going to add this line like this, and see how it stands out? It looks a little bit better with the thick versus thin. That's why I like coming back with a thinner Sharpie and adding a few extra lines just to make it unique, you know? So I'm going to add the inside of the bows like that. That's got that ribbon, not ribbon, but the end piece of the bow where it's tied like that. And so now I can just add a few extra lines. I'm going to make this a little thicker because that's where it wraps around like that. So imagine it's going up, and it's wrapping around a little bit, and it's going up, and then we're going to do one more. Up like that. And then this one kind of wraps around a little cuckoo crazy, so it's going to go over like this and come around like that. Okay, so now I'm going to connect these that I didn't quite connect the first time. See, it's okay if you don't do that. You can always hide your mistakes, as Adam Savage says. And so now that's pretty much done. I'm going to do the rest with coloring. So I'm just going to add a few little things to this star real fast. Just a little bit of a highlight like this to make it like 3D. Okay, and I'm going to hide some of those mistakes. And so with this, same thing. I'm going to do it like this, bring it to 3D, bring that down like that, and so that's how I can hide this one. See? Boom goes the dynamite. And a little bit of an edge like that. So you know what we're doing over here? Let's do another one over here. Just a little bit, just a hair. Just a tiny scotch. Okay, let's go ahead and finish the rest of them doing like that. And it's just real subtle, you know, so don't worry about it if it disappears underneath like that. No big deal. So the face and all that I'll take care of with coloring. So for now, that is Star Wand. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.